Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So I have been away for a while. My focus has been elsewhere, which I will show you about at the end of this video. I've been doing a few different little projects all at the same time, so I have not done any videos for YouTube, although I have been doing them for Instagram and, well, Instagram. So I hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. This week's video is going to be based on, well, it's going to be these nails. Oh, can you see that there? It's better here, isn't it? Can you see those nails? Those are my nails. That is, this is the set, sorry, that I did in this video. I used Flexi press tips. I did use the long coffin ones. But I cut them down because I just fancied a short coffin shaped nail, and I just love the I can get my words out, excuse me. I just really love the Flexi press tips. They're just so easy to use and they are so durable, they just last, and I love them. And it's great because you don't have to file or anything like that around like the surface of the nail. It's just great. You just buff them and they're ready to go. And you can get them pre-buffed, and you can get them in loads of different shapes. You can get them in long stiletto, short coffin, short round, long coffin. Yeah. I will leave links to everything that I used in the description box below, along with, of course, don't forget my discount code Beautified10. Don't ever forget that. You can get 10% discount on all the items on the website, barring the sale items, guys. So this week's video, I used one of the new collections from Miss You Beauty. It is the Sweet Rocket collection, and as you can see, they're like purples, lilacs, and that one is my favourite nail. You can't see that as well. That is my favourite colour, and that one is Sweet Rocket 04. I'm not kidding you, it is amazing and I love it to bits. So yeah, like I said, oh, and I've done marble ink as well. Marble ink is these, if I can find them, here they are. These are the marble ink colours. There's a few different ones, so you can these are May. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. That's what those ones are. They're on the website as well, on the Miss You website. They're like sort of an offshoot of Miss You Beauty. So I will leave you links to those as well. Like I said, everything that I use will be in the description box. Have my new jumper. It actually says Miss You. I think it'll be back to front on the camera, but anyway, Miss You. So it's my new favourite jumper. I've just bought it recently. I am in love. I bought it in the in one of the sales that went on over the Christmas period. I just love it. They've got it in black and they've got it in white, and it's £21 plus VAT, so check it out. Oh my goodness, it's so comfy. I just love it. I'm practically living in it. Anyway, enough chatter. It's been a long time, and I also just want to say I had a really lovely couple of messages this week from my lovely followers on Instagram saying that they'd missed me on YouTube, and that kind of gave me the oomph to get back to it. So like I said, at the end of this video I will tell you what I've been working on. It's quite exciting. However, I will show you how I created this set of nails. So I start off by prepping my nail by buffing off the natural shine. I apply a layer of base coat, cure that for 30 seconds, and then I buff off the underneath of my Flexi press tips. You can buy them pre-buffed, but these ones are non-buffed. So then I buff off the top layer. Well, I say the top layer. I buff off around the cuticle area so that it's not as thick in that area. Then I apply a layer of strengthener to my natural nail. Don't cure it. Then I apply it to the underside of the Flexi press tip, and then I place down the nail on my natural nail. Hold it in place, and with my LED lamp I flash cure it. So once I flash cured it, then I pop it into my LED lamp and cure it for 60 seconds. And then I clip down the nail because I wanted them a bit shorter. I shape them and I buff the shine off that nail so the gel sticks to it properly, and then I just file around the cuticle areas just to make sure that it's all flush with my natural nail and buff away. I don't buff away, obviously. So, but I do buff that natural nail, or that nail, all my life. Anyways, so I do place down a layer of non-wipe top coat underneath the nail and cure that for 60 seconds just to add a bit of strength. And then also I apply a layer of strengthener to that nail and cure that in my LED lamp to add a little bit of extra strength because I am fairly rough with my nails. I'm quite heavy-handed. So this is Sweet Rocket 04. Oh my life, it's amazing. Then I've got Sweet Rocket 01. Absolutely gorgeous colour. And the coverage with these gel polishes is totally amazing. I just love it to bits. So then we've got Sweet Rocket 02, which goes on my middle nail. Lovely little purpley colour. I mean, they're all purplies. Purple-ish colours. So then we've got Sweet Rocket 05 on the ring finger, and this is like a lilac-y colour. Really, really pretty. So cute. And then on my little finger, I've got Sweet Rocket 03. Now, I bought this a few weeks ago. It's got little bits of gold in it. Oh, man, it's amazing. So I cure that first layer of gel polish in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And I'm just going in now with my second coat of all of these gel polishes. Just making sure that I cap the edges so that those the gel polish doesn't peel away. Not that it would anyway, because I've already buffed the nails. However, you never know. Don't want to take any risks because these colours are gorgeous. So my second coat gets cured in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. So then with my matte top coat, I go and lay down a coat of this on my middle finger, and then with my marble inks here that I've got, I just place them down on the nail. You need to do it on matte colour. I could have probably done it on a lighter background just so that you could get the benefit of the colours, but I'm experimenting, so, you know, it's my first time. So with Marble Ink 08, you just use this one to blend all those colours together. Don't forget, wipe that brush before you pop it back in the bottle, otherwise, you know, disaster will strike. And then I go in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat and cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. The marble inks just need to dry naturally. They don't take long to dry. So, you know, and once you put the top coat over that nail, look at the colours coming through, much better than I thought. Like I said, I'm experimenting. It's my first time with these colours, and I didn't really know what to expect or exactly what I was doing. But there are instructions on the Miss You Beauty website. So if you are struggling, either watch this video or go to the website. So I apply cuticle oil to those nails and they are done. I'm really chuffed with how these came out. Pleased to bits with them, especially the middle one and my thumbs. Amazing. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. So, thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and maybe if it inspired you, I hope it did. Let me know what you thought to it. I love all your comments. I love to see what you think. And so what I've been doing just recently is I am now an influencer on an app called the Nail Vision. So it is an app. You can download it to your iPhone, tablet, laptop, whatever. Maybe not laptop, I don't know. Anyway, your iPhone or your tablet. And on that it's like it's a place where you can do nail art videos, nail art tutorials, or there's beauty tutorials, there's different kinds of tutorials and things like that. And what it does is then, once you've uploaded your video, I will add links to everything that I've used in that video, and you can just click on that link and buy the product that I've used. So I do tutorials every week on that. I'm regularly uploading to that one. If you follow me on Instagram, you might already be aware that I have started doing this, working on this Nail Vision app. Yeah, so it's quite exciting. I'm really excited about it. So don't forget, guys, to download the Nail Vision app and follow me on that. It's my name is, or my username, whatever it is Beautified, obviously. So yeah, so I look forward to seeing you then, and hopefully I will be up next week. If you've got any recommendations or any ideas, or if there's a set of nails that you'd like me to create on YouTube, then please let me know. I love hearing about your suggestions. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Not Twitter anymore. It's there, but not. And Nail Vision. That's my new one. Take care, guys. Bye. Oh, and I hope you're all staying safe in this really difficult time as well. I know it's a horrible time for a lot of people. So, yeah, I hope you're all well, and I hope you're all keeping safe. And if you'd like to see a little tour of my new nail room, my husband created this for me. It is amazing. He's so clever. It needs painting and everything, but I'm so happy. Anyway, yeah, if you'd like to see a tour of that, let me know. I'll do that next time. Take care, guys, and I'll see you again. Bye.